You're not going to record the rest of the game.
The rest of the generation.
Sink it. Yeah. 24. Sink it.
Yes. Oh, yep. There he is, right there. He's right there. Oh, where are you going?
What is he doing?
Look at him. Oh, cut.
Look at the mate. No.
Go.
Bob it. Shoot it, Mason. It's a swing.
Shoot it, Mason.
Get in the hole.
Tom, you're in the way.
Oh, dude.
I'm gonna leave.
Oh, he missed Tom.
Oh, he almost got it.
Mason's catching fire.
I did not think he was going to shoot it.
There he is.
What a screen. That'll give him a B+ right there.
Just take it.
Get off! Yeah! Oh yeah! Chris Mason!
Dude, the whole bench just like jumped.
I'm glad I was recording it.
Hey.
Dude, he's probably so embarrassed.
He's got it on tape.
Get down.
Put the camera down.
Oh, damn it. Did they just yell at him for that?
Probably.
Chomps, get out of the way.
Sorry.
Yeah.
There's Mason we know.
Nice steal, Mason. There we go. You can't molest them.
Let them breathe.
Let them breathe.
You didn't hear about that? They were cheering that. The Notre Dame fans were cheering that at the Syracuse Notre Dame game.
Yeah, maybe just do that and then
Get him up.
Get him up.
Oh, yeah. Yep. That was like Mason. Oh, yeah.
I think
Oh, bad foul. Bad foul. I can't believe he missed that free throw. Are you kidding me?
Dude, that was awesome. The bench loved it. The bench loved
Dude, everyone jumped up on the bench.
He's feeling it.
Just swat him. Oh.
And we'll be proud.
Watch out!
Tom. God damn it.
Nothing good on the
Yeah. Oh, wow. I forgot about that. Mason, send it.
Good D.
Get the board.
Hey, they're in the bonus. Attack the rim, Mason.
About that one. Get deep. Get deep. Go deep, Mason. Dude, there's no one behind him. Why don't you just run deep?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Look at his hands. The wide receiver. Oh, boy.
Every time Mason.
I've got Mason. I've got the Mason cam going here. We're running 3 minutes, 33 seconds strong.
No, they're not. No.
Dude,
We're going to give him a standing up. He's definitely going out now.
Mason's already walking.
Chris is anticipating him getting out.
Dude, he's going to stay in. Because that guy, he's coming in for Matt, Jimmy.
Dude, he's anticipating. He already started walking forward.
They play him with the guards. He's practice. No, he's not, because he's going in for the shooter. He's going in for the shooter.
Yeah.
Oh, is he shooting one-on-ones?
Yeah.
Chris.
Hopefully this thing doesn't have like a timeout. Like it just times out on me here.
Chris is going to drain 3 and it's going to time out. Oh, look at that hustle. Good hustle there, play more.
Why are we calling plays on defense?
I don't know. He's a press. Oh, man. We let somebody
They're
up.
winning. They're going to win.
They just go deep. No one's back there. Run deep. Run. Hey, get the ball.
Good save, John. Oh, he's all over him. He's traveling. No, he's not. That's not.
Thomas, she heard you.
I don't care.
Stop your mother with that now.
He didn't travel.
Coach is not looking at you. He got screwed spirit. Why doesn't put his hand up? Oh, he probably has to use it. I was trying to videotaping this.
I've never seen it.
I don't want to stop it.
Hey, film that.
Hey, how's it doing? Hey, how's it going?
I was really zoomed in. I forgot because it was what? So it was like Matt's like
Good shot, Matt Mason.
it was like a huge shot of.
They take him out. I swear I'm leaving the building.
You're leaving the building?
I wouldn't care if it was. I gotta support Mason.
I'll even take him out.
Anyway, yes.
Oh, he's still in.
You better be still.
Damn,
in.
where's
This is going on YouTube. This is gonna be like his like highlights film. The class of 2015. The college class of 2015.
I don't have any highlights.
Trying to just remember dribbling
What
off.
highlights
But
do you have?
give it to him.
The shot.
Right there, right there.
Is he doing what's he doing? Go on.
It's like someone looks at the tape of him.
It shows you. Oh, you're on face.
Watch him get a call.
Swing it.
It's
Yes.
good. Dribble. Your range is unlimited, Mace.
Come on, Chris. I'm rooting for you.
Ace on the top of the key. Assist.
Can't make one.
I wasn't really.
Yeah, they're down by.
Down by 1.
Chris is in the right now. I'm gonna run.
Mason, dude, what makes it the game winning
What's
shot?
going on?
Oh my god. Dude, Joe, what Chris had the game winning shot? Dude, you know how crazy that would
Flop.
be? A game winning half quarter. Moro style.
Anderson Bearjow.
He really is. I don't think he knows what he's doing.
Down 1.
I'm not going to kick him. I'm going to take him out.
Oh, I can't.
Nice board.
Everyone loves Chris.
Oh, no.
I love to see it.
Dude, everyone says, he says everyone hates him, but they all like jumped up when he scored.
Kind of gets lost in the offense occasionally.
Well, I mean,
When he's in the offense, they're successful.
off the trade, Mason.
Beautiful pass.
That's your forte. 3-pointer. Chris, you're like right there.
How many times are you gonna take it? Don't stop shooting.
Who's that? John Allen?
Yeah.
Did you hear Tim? He goes, it's John over Maddox. Charlie goes, he's more fun. He's more than that.
Yeah, he quit.
Might be over. Okay, maybe. No, I didn't make it for it, guys. It was 0-0. Oh, that kid shoots a 3. I'd be.
Chris, watch this. Good ball pressure.
See it.
He forced that turnover.
No TOF.
Turnover 4.
Actually, count those. A Mason corner. He's spotting up. It's across that court.
Shut up, AJ.
Tight deep. That's good defense.
Instead of a gut check, they need a heat check on Chip.
Yeah, he checked. He fires him a half quarter. He checked.
He wants a close-up now.
Close up. Mason.
No, Mason.
The O'Reilly close-up. Charlie, you want to close up?
Charlie.
Get out of my face. I just fumbled a point. Cost my team triple.
Wait. What's your guys' team name? The Washington Champions. $72. They're undefeated. Dude, that's a good game.
How fantastic.
Wait, Matt, you guys undefeated? The undefeated class. We're good though. Wide ball.
Matt's 4-3.
Wait, does that Conco like start off every game with a half quarter? Does Dave play?
Wait, Matt, please. Congo start every game with a half quarter.
Yeah.
He does? Wait, so every game you give him the ball for a half quarter?
Yeah.
Has he made one yet?
No.
Has it been close?
Yes. The second game, he almost had it.
Deuce do that. Other than he's airball last night.
We gotta get one of those.
Jeff Markey. I mean, I know.
When you play.
Yeah, wait, Matt, when do you guys play next? Matt, when do you guys play next?
Come on, Chris, come on.
Next Monday at 6. Next Monday at 6. Same time.
Trey, Chris is working hard down there to keep the big man out. Come on. Take the ball.
Still down 1. This is an offensive juggernaut of a game.
Why are we not there? This is boggling my mind.
Dude, get the ball. Oh, no. Chris.
What? Excuse me. Just trying.
He's just playing ball out there. He's just playing ball.
What's the board? What's the board for?
Yeah. He's not playing ball.
No. What's the board for?
Let him play.
5, 6. Oh, 3 ball.
That could have been.
Yeah! Yes!
That was a good pass. It was right there.
Let me tell you, he sells out for those rebounds.
Dude, I'm telling you. Mason, game-winning shot. Game-winning shot. I'd call it. Oh, my God. I'm calling it.
Man. Oh, almost out.
All the pursuit.
Uh-oh.
That feels good for the top. I'm going to call it.
But
I don't like rebounding. Definitely point guard. I don't like rebounding. Yeah, don't fit. Yeah. I thought you said double dunk. Maybe over the 3. Oh,
yes.
yeah, Jake.
Hey, good luck, Mason.
We refresh the shot clock. Oh, wait, there's not a shot clock.
There should be.
One
In
more
high
time.
school.
One more time.
Do you think he has any idea that the camera's on him right now?
Oh, no clue. No clue. Everyone else, they're all staring at us. Listen for 3.
They're setting something up. There's something going on.
We need to, don't we?
They got a foul now.
Time.
Yeah, there goes our hoop.
Basically, what do?
Oh, Jimmy.
Get 10. Let's get 10 here.
Or not. Foul.
Another timeout. It's Chip Mason with the long socks struts off the court.
How long has this been going on? They're going to lose, and they said they're going to kill
12 minutes.
Actually, 13 right now. It's in the entire fourth quarter.
What time is it?
Well, dude, you realize like all this game tape is like it's like equivalent to how much Chris played like the other. He's got more in this game than here. I mean, he's game tape.
Yeah, really. This is going on YouTube. Improve. Class of 2015, Chris Mason. North Canton Hoover High School.
Next NBA
Small
All-Star.
forward slash power forward.
Next NBA All-Star.
Chip Mason.
Dude, next NBA All-Star. Chris Mason.
No, I gotta make it like it's an actual scouting video. Like his freshman highlights. It's like someone puts on his like.
Who votes?
That's one game.
I'm going to pass it. I'm passing it.
No, that's the only game we played in.
Yeah. Okay. I so you went for Josh Smith then. I thought Mason was that for a second. I was like, yeah. Not Mason. No, I can steal.
Alright, let's see what he does in the clutch.
I'm down at you just gotta believe.
Let's see if he's much in the clutch.
It was off his hands.
Let's see if he's much in the clutch.
Well, you realize he'll be the last guy in the scene to get the ball and get a last second shot. So he's gonna like get a rebound, just like throw it up there.
He's gonna take it back out, pop the
They're
tray.
gonna miss like the 2-pointer to win it, and then he's gonna get the rebound. You're not making him. Or tie, dog.
Yeah, I'm not going to.
You watch him make them both now. I guarantee it.
You guarantee it.
We gotta make some noise here, guys.
Chris. He's like he wants some noise.
Make some noise.
They better not be taking out Chip.
I run behind. Where's the speedo guy?
And that's the end of Chris Mason's freshman basketball career.
Oh my god.
They need to do it wrong.